What's going on, buddy? Solieka here, and these are the 911 calls from when I was down in Port Canaveral, and we're just going to get right on into it. But don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. We're getting so close to 12,000 subscribers where we're going to be giving away, let me grab this thing real quick, that right there. We are giving away this Streamlight flashlight, and if you haven't entered, you have to send me an email to thearmedfisherman@gmail.com to get yourself entered into this drawing or into this giveaway. So that being said, I'm gonna get out of here. Solieka, deuces. What's that? This is a Bear Creek Arsenal upper with a Aero Precision lower. I actually built this myself. So
I built 3.
Nice.
Based on a DPMS, one's a Bushmaster.
Yeah.
What the hell's the other one? I use so many different goddamn parts with it.
Yeah, I know. They're all interchangeable. That's the great thing about it, man.
Some guy would just walk by here. I think he was on the phone with the police. I said, "They're carrying an automatic weapon." I started laughing.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
Actually, it's not an emergency. I'm fishing at Jetty Park, and I see this guy wearing a machine gun on his chest, walking around. He's fishing, but it looks weird. You know what I mean?
Okay, you're at the campground, or we're at a Jetty Park?
Right on the fishing part. You know, it's flat, and then you go on the top. Right now, he's walking toward the camping. He's wearing a red hat, a red shirt, and a machine gun over his chest. I don't know if it's a toy gun or what the hell is that, but it looks weird. I would like someone come in and check him out.
But how old does he look?
He looks maybe late 20s, mid 30s, probably. Spanish looking dude.
Can he walk into the camping area?
He's walking towards there right now.
Okay.
Right now his company's going close to the restroom areas. I'm all the way on the top and I see him from far. I was actually hesitant to call 911, but I said, you know what? You never know. Maybe this guy's up to no good or whatever.
Okay, you said about a Hispanic male, late 20s?
Late 20s, mid 30s, wearing a red shirt, white short. He walked right in front of me like a few minutes ago.
About how tall is he? Did you notice, or how heavy?
Maybe 5'10", probably.
Heavy, thin, average build?
Skinny.
Skinny?
Skinny guy.
Okay.
Call me back if you need any more info. Hello, still there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay.
All right, sir. We're going to get somebody out there, okay?
You know what? He turned around and he's coming back out here. Yeah, I see him coming back. You know what I mean? He's walking on the flat area with people fishing.
Yeah, I do know.
And I'm all the way on the top. Can you send somebody?
Yeah, I gave it to dispatch.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for holding. How can I help you?
I'm at Jetty Park on the pier, and what's the deal on somebody carrying a automatic weapon out on the pier?
And you're sure it's an automatic weapon, not like a...
Well, he's got a strap around his neck. It had like a double barrel part. It was the target type of scope on it.
Okay.
Looked like it had a clip in it.
So is he white or black?
He looks like he's more white than anything. It's maybe in his 30s.
What's he got on?
A red shirt,
Jeans
shorts,
and shorts?
white shorts.
And you said it looks like he's carrying a gun?
It looks like it. There's two deputies over here. I'm going to go talk to them real quick.
All right, sir. But whereabouts is this guy at? He's at the pier?
He's walking down the pier towards Jetty Park right now.
All right, go ahead and flag him down.
They're sitting here talking, so they've already stopped. So
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
How you doing, sir? You living the dream, man? Well, have a great day. Enjoy it. It's beautiful out today. Can't complain with this weather, right? All right. See ya.